Switch pages.
Woohoo! I just got the next Naruto manga. Hey, you. It's pronounced manga. Manga? Manga? Same difference? Yeah, tell that to a crowd of otaku. What's an otaku? What? Why are you even here at this convention? Oh man, I love anime like Naruto and Inuyasha and Shaolin Showdown, so I came here. Oh god, not one of these people. Don't you know about any other anime? Like Potemayo? Nope. GTO? Nope. Samurai Champloo? Nope. Princess Mononoke? Not a thing. Cowboy Bebop? Nope. Trigun? Nothing. Spirited Away? I'm not interested. I just came here to get some Naruto stuff. You're kidding, right? You can get that stuff anywhere. Well, a true anime fan comes to conventions. Anyway, I'm cooler than you. I mean, come on, you dressed as a character from Pokemon. That's dumb. What? That's it. Pikachu, go! Pika! Pikachu, use Thunderbolt on that noob. Pikachu! What it takes to be a true anime fan? I know exactly who can take out your Pikachu. Go Power Ranger! Wait, what? Pika. Though he may be hot, we shall take him out! Go Pikachu, use Thunder! Pikachu!
Oh, the attack had no effect.
What? Haha, his suit keeps him immune to electric attacks. Power Ranger, use Laser Beam!
He's a-charging his lasers. It's over 9,000!
Oh no, Pikachu, return! Go, Yagami-kun!
What pathetic being do I have to deal with now?
Ha! You can't use Yagami. Oh. 1, he doesn't have the Death God's eyes. 2, you wouldn't know his name or face. Ah, so at least you know about Death Note. Of course, it's popular and I saw it on Adult Swim. Yagami, use Ryuk!
Keep it up, Ryuk!
The Power Ranger is confused.
Use Double Kick!
Oh, it hurt itself in confusion.
Yagami, finish him off with Logic Attack!
I will change the world. People will notice that someone is killing the bad guys. I will make the world know I'm here, passing righteous judgment. No one will commit crimes anymore. The world will become a better place. Those who obviously need to be punished will die of heart attacks, while I'll be killing immoral people with illness and accidents, which will eventually be noticed by the masses, and they will learn to change their way of dying.
It fell asleep.
Darn it!
Ha 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 ha! I always win because I am a god!
So, give up? Never! Go! El Ryuzaki! Oh, crap.
Well, hello, Yagami-kun. Ryuzaki.
Yagami, use Notebook! Quick, counter with your logic!
That wouldn't happen to be the Death Note, would it? Because if the book you throw is in fact the Death Note, that will bring up your chance of being keyed at 33.8%. Of course this isn't the Death Note. It just contains my grocery list. Milk, eggs, apples. Lots of apples.
Yagami, we can still win this. Use Attract!
Hey, Ryuzaki, I made you a strawberry cake today. Oh, that looks good. You made that for me, Yagami-kun? Yes, Ryuzaki, just for you. Because I couldn't stop thinking of you. You're just so smart and amazing. Oh my, Yagami-kun, you shouldn't have.
Oh, it became attracted to the other Pokemon.
Haha, you only made my next attack more effective. L, use Yaoi Attack!
Oh, Yagami, I would like to personally thank you for the cake.
Oh, the Pokemon just fainted.
Looks like I won. Oh, really? What's so funny?
You honestly thought a fool like you could beat me so
Well, thanks for the help. Bye!
Hey, don't leave me here.
Oh my god, you're awake? Pikachu, help me!